every honor and pride we experience today as Indians lies a brave history of intense uprisings, determined struggles, and bold revolutions led by countless selfless nationalists to liberate India from British rule. These legendary freedom fighters were not only crucial in securing independence but also left behind an enduring legacy of valor, unshakable commitment, and deep loyalty to the motherland. Even today, their sacrifices continue to motivate millions to safeguard our hard earned freedom and uphold the respect of India as a confident nation. Born in 1827, Mangal Pandey was a pioneer in India's freedom movement. He was among the earliest revolutionaries who urged young Indian soldiers to participate in the revolt of the 1857 Sepoy Mutiny. The uprising was ignited when he carried out the first assault against British authority while serving as a soldier under British rule. The heroic contribution of Mangal Pandey continues to resonate powerfully in Indian history.
जागो जागो अब तुम नींद हो क्यों तुम जागो रे जाओ जागो रे जगी जगी है धरती सारी
Jhansi ki Rani or Rani Lakshmibai was one of the foremost women liberation warriors whose contribution remains among the most significant in Indian independence history. The brave Indian queen fought the British like a lioness to save Jhansi. She was a key leader of the 1857 Sepoy Mutiny and was martyred on the battlefield in 1858. To this day, she is revered as a great symbol of strength and fearlessness.
सिंहासन हिल उठे राजवंशों ने भृकुटी तानी थी बूढ़े भारत में आई फिर से नई जवानी थी भूमि हुई आजादी की कीमत सबने पहचानी थी दूर फिरंगी को करने की सबने मन में ठानी थी
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also referred to as Bapu, was an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial nationalist and a political ethicist who employed non-violent resistance to lead the successful revolution for India's independence from the British rule. Not only was he an ardent patriot, but also a global social reformist. Among many movements led by him, along with his contemporary leaders, were some of the critical milestones that led India to independence in 1947.
बंदे में था दम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
India's freedom struggle was strengthened by the courage, sacrifice, and leadership of many remarkable women freedom fighters like Begum Hazrat Mahal.